element. AI, AI, AI. What is AI? Why is everyone so scared of it? Let me tell you why I am scared of AI. Recently, I overheard my grandfather talking to the customer care. I knew the person on the other side was AI, but my grandfather had no clue about it. He didn't realize the woman. He went on to say, "What a pretty lady, so sweet and polite." He didn't realize the woman who was so sweet and polite would probably be AI. Then there was an Instagram reel where a restaurant was run by robots. Who would cook your food? Cookbot. Who would serve you? Waitbot. And who would clean the tables? Helpbot. And guess what? Who would pay the bills? My father. AI just does not stop at restaurants. Even teachers are also feeling the pinch too. English teachers, once for giving essays, have stopped now due to students using ChatGPT. Science teachers, once known for their very tricky questions, are giving model questions to students due to students using ChatGPT. That you might think now AI and robots are going to take over the world. That's where I'm going to say, stop worrying, because the truth is that technology has been this way. When cars were invented, they thought the bullock carts would disappear. It did, but what happened? Car making and car driving was invented. Same happened with the computers. When computers were invented, they thought the typists would lose their jobs. It did, but IT and AI itself was invented. So, everybody just embrace AI. Don't be so scared of it. Thank you.